All right, let's talk about the TECNO Camon 20 Pro, one of the most talked about budget phones of early 2025. With all the buzz around its premium design and surprising performance for the price, I had to see if it actually lives up to the hype. First up, the design and display. Techno's gone bold this year. The Camon 20 Pro features a sleek matte finish on the back with a geometric camera module that honestly looks way more expensive than it is. In the hand, it feels sturdy, not plasticky like a lot of phones in this price bracket. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display is vibrant, with punchy colors and deep blacks. It's rocking a 128 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling super smooth. For content consumption, YouTube, Netflix, even casual gaming, it nails the experience. Now let's talk about the cameras. You've got a 64p main sensor here, and it actually holds its own. Daylight photos are crisp with decent dynamic range. The AI processing sometimes goes a little hard on saturation, but it's nothing crazy. Low light performance, surprisingly solid, thanks to the Super Night mode. You're not getting flagship level night shots, but for this price, impressive. There's also a 32-megapixel selfie cam that does well for social media content. Sharp details and good skin tones without that overly smooth filter. Performance-wise, it's running on the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM. Daily tasks, multitasking, app switching, light gaming are smooth. You'll notice some stutters with heavy gaming, but casual players won't mind. Battery life is a highlight. The 5000 mAh cell easily gets you through a full day, and the 33W fast charging helps top it back up quickly. On the software side, it ships with iOS based on Android 13. It's feature-packed, though a little cluttered for my taste. Still, everything runs reliably. So, is it the best budget phone of 2025? It just might be. For under $250, you're getting a stylish build, a strong display, capable cameras, and reliable all-day performance. If you're on a budget and want something that looks and feels premium, the TECNO Camon 20 Pro should definitely be on your shortlist.